July 24th, at this location in Nayagarh district of Odisha, a body of 5-year-old was found 10 days after she went missing. 5-year-old Pari was found in a decomposed state. The first arrest in the heinous crime was made 149 days later by the Special Investigation Team. The accused was identified as Saroj Sethi, and the investigators have made a stunning revelation.
Number 1, legging nathila. Number 2, dead body of frog dead body upar nathila. Taman dead body was nude. But a zero dead body nude mili chianga taro mane kon. You understand? All of us we understand. Third hela taro जो फ्रॉक को चेक करा गला फ्रॉक ऊपर सीमन स्टेन मिली छी तारो तीनटा परीक्षा हला परे रिपोर्ट तीनटा टेस्ट हला परे कंफर्म कले एटा सीमन स्टेन अछि.
But the investigation by the Odisha police is under cloud because the family is alleging that their daughter fell prey to an organ smuggling racket.
आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या हुआ आपकी बेटी के साथ?
वो organ चोरी हुई है. मैं बार वही बात कह रही हूँ कि organ चोरी हुई है, लेकिन दुष्कर्म नहीं हुई है.
A sharp contrast to the claims made by the probe team.
Scientific report says chemical use ही नहीं सुन दो ठीक है. दुई हला हमें already FMT को भी गोटे query करिछु. FMT को query हमें करिछु. तीटा क्वेरी करिछु कि एथरा केमिकल यूज होई थिला कि नहीं से माने भी कहले हमें औरी कंफर्म हिजु किंतु हमें जानिछु ही नहीं.
इसका 75 भाग बॉडी गायब है. वो कहाँ गया? सिर्फ 25% है, लेकिन वो जो बॉडी वो कहाँ गया? वो गायब है.
The BJP is alleging a political angle in the investigation. They have hit the streets demanding investigation against BJD Minister Arun Sahu.
He is telling the Sarpanch out there that you have to hide the matter. Viral audios which are there across the media in Orissa, even Arun Sahu has not denied it, that it is not his words or not his voice. So what's preventing the Orissa government, what's preventing the Orissa police from taking action against Arun Sahu is the question.
Investigation into the murder of 5-year-old Pari has raised several questions of alleged cover-up. Why did it take 5 months to nab the accused? Is there an organ smuggling angle as alleged by the parents? Or is there a political link in this entire case as alleged by the BJP? Or are there attempts being made to shield the real culprit as claimed by the BJP?
Let's debate.
Dr. Lekhashri Saman Singhar is the General Secretary of the Odisha BJP. She joins Sanju Verma on the debate, and Rabi Das is a senior journalist from Bhubaneswar. Mr. Rabi Das and Professor D.K. Giri is from Odisha, is a political commentator now based in Delhi. Syed Abbas, well, stay on please. Dr. Lekhashri Saman Singhar, you see the issue is whether this was a case of rape or it's a rape and murder, including the angle of organ theft. The parents are saying, the parents of the little child are saying that their child's organs were missing. This is something that the police is not willing to look at. And there are allegations that there are political links to organ theft. Now, can you please tell me, Dr. Lekhashri Saman Singhar, can you tell Rabi Das and all the people watching the program tonight, do you have solid proof beyond the allegation that this could be a case of organ theft in the case of Pari's death?
Absolutely. This incident happened on the 14th of July, but the local police did not take any action to apprehend the culprit for 5 long months. Just because a local ganja mafia who belongs to the Biju Janata Dal, Babuli Naik, Kanu Bera and his friends were involved, and they were being shielded by the local MLA who happens to be a very influential minister in the state cabinet, Mr. Arun Sahu. This case was mishandled from the very beginning. If it was a simple case of rape, then I think that the local police would have been sufficient to find who was behind this. But why did not they act? That is the first question. Why did not they act for 5 long months? Second thing, the parents of Pari have very clearly said that the organ theft has taken place in this incident. And when the SIT was formed against our wishes, we were asking for CBI against our wishes. Why did not the SIT take into cognizance what Pari's parents were saying? Why did the SIT do what it felt like? Why did they bring in Saroj Sethi, who is a minor, but SIT now claims that he is a minor?
Ravidas.
As per birth certificate of Saroj Sethi, he is a minor. He cannot be produced in court.
Dr. Lekhashri, Dr. Lekhashri, when you are saying that organs were missing, may I request you also to substantiate this? What medico, legal or other examinations are there which prove that her organs were missing, that specifically her kidneys were missing? Is there some hard evidence to prove that?
See, two things. First of all, as Pari's mother was saying, only 25% of her body was found and the rest of it was not there. And the second thing is the forensic report. The first forensic report is not available to anybody, which should have been made public, at least should have been disclosed to the parents. In the assembly, the local minister for home, Divya Shankar Mishra, said that the body was in such a decomposed condition that it is impossible to ascertain whether rape has occurred or not. On what basis he said this? Where is the forensic report on the basis of this?
Mr. Abhidas, Dr. Lekhashri, let me get Mr. Abhidas's response. Mr. Abhidas, this is a horrible incident, and obviously there is a deeper sinister hand, because on 21st October the victim's parents, I am told, were attacked because they were pointing at the alleged accused, and there is a sense of fear, plus the family's allegations that their own daughter's organs were missing. Which parent would make such a claim if there was no truth behind it?
Yes, the way the district police of that district investigated the case and didn't proceed correctly for 5 months, and the parents had to come before the assembly, had to go for a demonstration kind of thing where they wanted to kill themselves. Then only the assembly took up the matter and the state became alert. That is the reason why people have suspect that yes, the police is not acting, because the man they are accusing at is a man of Mr. Arun Sahu. That's correct. But after the SIT was formed, by the government, SIT is headed by a police officer whose track record as police officer is good. His track record in unearthing such incidents are good, and he has done some cases like that.
But that is not. Secondly, on a case like this, you can't go by track record. I'm sorry. No. 1 minute. Well, Sanjay Jaina is with us. He is the editor of Argus News. Sanjay Jaina, 1 minute. Sanjay Jaina, the argument being made is don't question the police officer because he has a track record. My question was, why would any parent claim falsely that their own child's organs were missing? Why would they go on a protest like that? Why would they be attacked for fighting for justice for their daughter? These points, all of this points to a cover-up. Sanjay, what's going on here? What's the reality on the ground?
It doesn't matter.
Sanjay Jaina.
Yes, Arnab, it doesn't matter what is credibility of an officer. The question is, what is the way the case is handled? I will tell you 2-3 examples. Robita said, police was doing wrong and SIT is doing and taking the right path. The fact remains, the parents of the teaching girl complained that such and such persons of the village are the persons who are kidnapped, and they have talked to children who were playing with that and they quoted those kids with whom Puri was playing. But the police
DK.
took for his parents for polygraph test. They did not take the person for his family was accusing. You will be astonished or not. 12 days when the last rites used to be observed, the police took away for his parents, put them in the police station for 12 hours. They returned home 12 in the midnight and performed rites. The lady inspector who was he was not dismissed, he was suspended. And why he was suspended, state police not mention that. All
It
these
is clear
things
that police has not handled it efficiently.
He was
And
suspended
police
because of...
efficiency is all
It's not a question of handling. Sanju is on the other side.
It is very
You
unfortunate.
don't handle things. No, you don't handle things. I want Sanju. You don't handle a case like this.
Yeah.
You investigated. What is the Odisha police doing? Why was the SIT formed only after 4 months?
Yeah,
Why was there a
true. Okay, that
polygraph
is
for the
what-
family members of the accused?
that is
Why
what
was the
SIT
inspector
is later.
suspended after 4 months? Why was the NCPCR demanding a CBI probe over the irregularities?
Sure.
Why is there no action against the accused named by the family? If there is no political hand in this,
True, but-
the family has alleged the involvement of a local leader. Now, no. The family has alleged the involvement of a local
Yeah,
leader.
but
It's a
they are
serious
not
matter.
eligible. No, I don't think there is a political...
It casts a shadow.
Yeah, I know, but that is not...
That
is only a
the
speculation. That is only a
SIT, no, one
speculation.
important
It
point,
has not
Mr.
been
Abhinav
proved. There is
here
no
was
hard
saying
evidence.
that
It is a
Mr.
law and order
Bothra has a great
situation.
track
It is the
record.
rank
But in this
inefficiency of the
case,
police.
Mr. Arun
It is
Bothra did not
absolutely
even have
inefficiency of
police
police.
powers to
It is
investigate.
all over the country.
He is the MD of
Dr. Lekhashri.
Odisha State Road Transport Corporation. He did not have police powers. When we pointed this out, the government gave him IG crime rank at a backdated time. So
Ravidas.
what was the government trying to prove when they put Arun Bothra there? His track record as
Ravidas,
Mr.
Ravidas,
said,
Ravidas,
is
Ravidas.
not very good. He has not been able to solve the Patnagarh bomb blast case. Trial has not begun, though he claimed that he had cracked the case and he also made a film on it. So this is Mr. Arun Bothra for you. He wants to be a hero by framing one innocent boy who is 17 and a half years old, and they are painting him that through ossification test. He is 18 years old. Ossification test, as per Supreme Court judgment, does not have legal sanctity. He cannot be produced in court. He cannot be subject to polygraph test. What is the state police doing? They're trying to witch hunt. They're trying to victimize an innocent boy, and they're trying to allow Arun Sahu and Babuli Naik to go scot-free. The organ
Are you saying they are covering up? Are you saying they are covering up the organ theft racket? Are you saying that, Lekhashri?
Absolutely.
Is that what you're saying,
Mr.
Lekhashri?
Goswami, in the last 2 years, as per
Then it's a very serious matter.
5,500 children have gone missing. Since the last 5 years,
Mr. Arnab,
7,000 children
but then-
have gone
line of
missing.
inquiry.
Where are these children? What is the police doing to find them?
Rabi, then it's a very serious matter.
Arnab,
I think, yes, Lekhashri, Sanju also wants to come and see.
It's a very
Sanju
serious
wants to, yes,
matter.
Rabi first and then Sanju. First here we Rabi and then Sanju will have a response.
It's a very serious matter. The matter is for
Rabida,
Odisha
listen here.
Odisha High Court-
I am surprised the national Lutyens media has ignored this so far.
Without which there is no use.
Exactly,
There
Arnab,
needs
let
to
me
be
come
hard
in here.
evidence on organ theft.
Arnab, I
There
just want
needs
to
to be
ask
hard
one
Rabida.
thing. Why should the
Odisha
credibility
media
of a
also
police
did it.
officer be
You
the
got
reason
boys
for not
came.
conducting
Your
a proper
parents came to
investigation?
here in Bhubaneswar.
Saroj
Odisha media
Sethi
also
has
did
been
know.
accused in the case, but Saroj Sethi's sister has alleged that
Rabida.
one Mr. Bothra, who's the head of the SIT, told Saroj Sethi, I'm willing to pay you 5 lakh rupees if you own up to the crime. I want to ask the Lutyens media,
Well, these are
which
all
threw up such a
allegations.
stink
How do
over
you know this
Hathras
is
and
true? You are
probably
quoting
rightfully
something
so, which
you read
threw
in
up
the
a stink
newspaper.
over the
Sanju
Kathua case
Burman,
and
don't
perhaps
give-
rightfully
don't
so.
give credits
Why
to the
did they keep
statements.
silent
This
for
should be
more than 5
investigated.
months in
Do a
this
polygraph
case?
test.
Why
Why
did
do you
only
give credits to
Republic
what you read in the
raise this issue
newspaper?
and made it a national issue?
This is
and
rumor.
rightfully so. I want to
that is
ask
okay.
why
That is
local
okay.
It is not a rumor, Mr. Giri. It is not a rumor. It has Saroj Sethi has come on record record to say that Arun Bothra has offered me 5 lakhs
You are not
to
privy
admit to this crime so that they can allow me to go scot-free as a juvenile, as in the Nirbhaya case.
How do you get it gospel?
And everyone goes scot-free. This is what Saroj Sethi has gone on record to say. I also want to remind you that the NCCR, the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, has recommended strong disciplinary action against the Nayagarh SP and Nayagarh collector because they found that the case was being driven out of track, handled badly, and the real culprits were allowed to go scot-free.
DK Giri, I want to say something. I don't know how much time I have on the debate, but I want to make a point tonight. I want to make a larger point tonight. I have 1 minute left. Sanjay Jaina is a journalist. So many journalists here today. You know, viewers, anyway, I feel sometimes that news from Odisha and many other parts of the country is not given enough prominence at the national level. We focus only on what is happening in the national capital region. I will only say this, that this is a heart-wrenching, skin-crawling, spine-chilling murder of a 5-year-old girl. There is a possible political hand. Sanjay Jaina, what I am shocked is, the police has failed completely, but what is the Latvian media doing? What is the national media doing? Why is this not the subject of investigation and debate among the rest of the national media? Don't you think so, Mr. Jaina?
Yeah, I'm absolutely concerned for this. Like, we have taken up this issue the day for the death, like the killing incident came to fore. We continuously followed it up. Like we carried forward what is concerned for months together. Only after self-immolation attempt, others media took up. This is a very shocking thing.
Yes. Mr. Jaina, I commend you for your work and I commend all the Orissa journalists who have been following this. Let me tell you, you know that we know very clearly that when any media takes on a state government nowadays, I have a personal experience in Maharashtra. When you take on a state government nowadays, they use the police force and everything to try and strangulate the media. I commend you for your work. And I can assure you, if all journalists stay together on matters like this, these kind of things can't be covered up. I promise you today and the people of Odisha that we will investigate the matter. And let us now make this a bigger issue of subject of investigation and follow-ups. We'll do it on the ground. I thank you all viewers for joining me. Justice for Puri is something we are all committed to. I'll see you tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Till then, thank you for watching. Good night, ladies and gentlemen, and goodbye.